Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Lightshot not working on Windows 11. If the print screen key isn't launching Lightshot or nothing happens when you try to take a screenshot, don't worry. We've got a few easy steps to help you fix it. Step 1. Let's start by restarting Lightshot with administrator privileges. Press Windows X, then click on Task Manager to open it. Find Lightshot in the list, right-click on it, and select End Task. Then press the Windows key and S, type Lightshot, and click Run as Administrator from the side. When prompted by User Account Control, click Yes and try using the print screen key again. Step 2. Make sure Lightshot is set to run at startup. In Task Manager, click on the Startup tab. Look for Lightshot in the list. If it's disabled, right-click on it and choose Enable. This ensures Lightshot launches automatically when your PC starts. Step 3. Now we'll check the print screen key settings in Windows. Press the Windows and I keys to open Settings. Go to Accessibility, then click on Keyboard under the Interaction section. Turn off the toggle that says Use the print screen key to open screen capture. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on and test Lightshot again. Step 4. Let's check if another app is interfering with the print screen key. Go to Settings, click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Look through the list for any screen capture tools, like Snipping Tool or Screenshot software. If you find any, disable or uninstall them temporarily and see if Lightshot starts working. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective.